Guys, so one of the questions that I get on almost every single one of my videos is, are dread extensions reusable, and do I ever wear the same dread set twice? And the answer to both of those questions is yes. They are reusable, and I do rewear the same dread sets. They can be taken out and put back in as many times as you like, or as little times as you like. And so I have talked about this on my channel before. In my hair transformation mix and match dreads, that was a combination of two dread sets that I had worn previously on my channel, and then I mixed them together. And so that answers a related question that I get, which is, have I ever mixed up sets before and worn dreads from one and dreads from another to create my own? And the answer is yes. And then the next time that this came up on my channel was actually with my Cotton Candy Twist set that I did. I had installed that set twice, and I talked about it at the end of the video, and that my kind of turnaround show off at the end was the second time installing. And so even though I have kind of covered this topic before in those two videos, it was a little bit easy to miss, and so I wanted to make one that was expressly about me redoing the same dread set again. I have done this in the past, but I've never made a full separate video about it because I always thought that it'd be boring to show you guys the same hair on my channel. But this question turned out to be so frequently asked that I figured it'd be worth it to start filming when I redo the same dread set. And so with all of that said, hopefully that answered those questions for you guys. We are going to redo my hair. Let's get to it.